Welcome to the chapter overview of chapter number 2, Atoms and Molecules. We will explore a chemical classification of the visible universe, from vast planetary mixtures to pure elemental building blocks. Consumers view purity as unadulterated. Scientists define pure as substances with identical constituent particles in their chemical nature. Most of the observable universe is a complex mixture of two or more pure components. The universal taxonomy of matter requires us to evaluate the underlying particle behavior, classifying matter into mixtures and pure substances. Mixtures have variable composition and can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Pure substances have a fixed composition and include elements and compounds. Solutions are stable, homogeneous mixtures where the solute is dissolved by the solvent. The particles are smaller than 1 nanometer, making them invisible, unfilterable, and unable to scatter a passing beam of light. Homogeneity is not bound by physical state. Solutions can be solid and solid, like brass, or gas and gas, such as air, or gas and liquid, like soda water. Solutions exhibit variable composition, but cannot be physically separated. At a given temperature, a solvent has a saturation point, a limit to how much solute it can absorb. A solution can be unsaturated, saturated, or supersaturated, which leads to precipitation when cooled. Suspensions are non-homogeneous systems where bulk solids are dispersed in liquids. Unlike solutions, these particles are visible, and gravity forces the solute to settle. They can be separated by filtration. Colloids appear homogeneous, but are heterogeneous mixtures with dispersed particles semi-permanently suspended within a medium. Examples include aerosols, emulsions, foams, and sols. Their particles are too small to settle or filter, requiring centrifugation to separate. The Tyndall effect is a diagnostic test that distinguishes solutions, colloids, and suspensions. Colloidal particles scatter light, making the beam visible, a phenomenon observed in nature, such as light rays passing through mist in a forest. The mixture spectrum can be diagnosed based on particle size, the Tyndall effect, stability, and separation methods. Solutions have the smallest particles and are stable, while suspensions have the largest and are unstable. Physical changes alter the physical state, but keep the chemical nature untouched, like boiling water. Chemical changes fundamentally alter the composition, birthing entirely new substances, such as burning wood. Elements are the fundamental constants, the basic forms of matter that cannot be broken down by chemical reaction. They are classified as metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. A compound is formed when two or more elements chemically combine in a fixed proportion, resulting in a substance with properties completely different from its constituents, such as iron sulfide from iron filings and sulfur powder. The fundamental divide between mixtures and compounds is that mixtures can be separated physically and retain original traits, while compounds are chemically bound in fixed proportions, requiring chemical energy to separate. From the cosmos to the core, all matter surrenders to the same fundamental rules. Complex systems, whether mixtures or compounds, are composed of pure elements, the unchangeable building blocks of the universe. Thank you so much for learning with us, and we will meet in another chapter overview.